world of Victorinox dates all the way back to the year 1884. Right here, in the heart of Switzerland, in Ibach-Schwyz, where we have been based ever since. Our CEO is often asked how Victorinox became one of Europe's largest knife manufacturers. Well, there is no one secret to our success. Many different factors have come together to create our amazing story. It all begins with Karl Elsener I. He opened his Cutlers workshop and grew to become one of the Swiss Army's major suppliers, thanks to his idea of manufacturing a compact knife with practical functions. Victorinox is a combination of two words. Victoria, the name of the founder's mother, and inox, the name of the stainless steel from which the knives are made. Karl Elsener II began the automation of production and initiated overseas exports to countries as far as the United States. Renowned for his many innovative Swiss Army knife designs, Karl Elsener III significantly revolutionized production and increased output, as well as making Victorinox a truly global company. While Victorinox is known worldwide, we remain firmly tied to our roots in the Swiss Knife Valley. The breathtaking scenery is a constant source of inspiration for us. We are proud of our long heritage in this beautiful region, which is where our story started and where we remain today. Our philosophy is based on solid values of trust and respect. We truly believe that our success story is only possible thanks to the dedication and loyalty of our employees, who we consider part of the extended Victorinox family. In 2007, the next generation took over. The fourth Karl Elsener has positioned us as a multi-product brand with a focus on functionality, quality, innovation, and iconic design. Innovation has always been the driving force behind our production techniques. The knife blades are stamped from a 3 mm steel strip. 60 tons of stamping pressure, 14,000 blades per row, 20 hydraulic presses produce each individual blade. Today, the blades are punched from steel that is 95% recycled. The blades are rounded by using abrasive pyramidal ceramic stones. These machines grind them down to 0.02 of a millimeter of accuracy. As a comparison, a hair is 0.06 of a millimeter. Each blade is then stamped on the tang, our own certificate of authenticity and seal of quality. The blades are then placed in large ovens heated to 1050 degrees Celsius. This hardens the blades, ensuring that they cut accurately and stay sharp for a long time. Precision grinding gives the final sharpening. A delicate final touch. Tested and perfected on millions of Victorinox blades. The first pocket knives delivered to the Swiss Army were sturdy but heavy. Unsatisfied with the knives, Karl Elsener developed a lighter, elegant model in 1897. This marked the birth of today's officer's knife. Since then, we have continuously worked on the original Swiss Army knife. Our tools are renowned for their functionality, and many of their designs have been patented. Today, There are over 400 different models with up to 80 functions and over 110 single components, depending on the model. Over 1,000 different parts are stored, ready for assembly. Every month, 13 million components are used in production. Our iconic red scales start out their life as small pellets. Oversized, large and long suction pipes transport the pellets at high pressure into the respective injection molding machines. These pellets are then melted down to form scales that are durable, sustainable, and are designed to resist a lifetime of wear and tear. It takes 8 grams of pellets to create the scales that come in a wide variety of colors. They all are marked with our cross and shield logo. Before work starts, all components are neatly laid out, ready for assembly. Then, the machines put the individual components together, layer by layer. Our state-of-the-art technology allows us to produce 45,000 pocket knives per day. But in order to ensure quality, certain processes must still be completed by hand. Each model of the Swiss Army knife includes a different combination of tools which have been designed with a specific user in mind. Our classic standard tools include blades, corkscrews, can openers, screwdrivers, awls and bottle openers. When all the tools are in place, the knife gets its finishing touch. Swiss quality is recognized and appreciated around the world. Our quality control begins with the raw material. Every year we process over 2,500 tons of steel. After each different stage, the individual components are thoroughly checked and each phase of the process is tested. For us, the Victorinox cross and shield is a very meaningful symbol. The cross represents strength and positivity. The shield represents protection. It is trademarked in more than 120 countries. The final stage of a pocket knife's journey through our factory is a visit to our quality control department, where each knife is carefully examined to ensure it meets our stringent standards. Every year, 10 million pocket knives and 20 million household and professional knives are shipped from the Swiss Knife Valley around the globe. All of the factors from our success story have made our products much loved companions for people all over the world and even beyond. In fact, as a famous astronaut once said of our iconic red knife, never leave the planet without one.